In front of me is OPPO Reno 6 5G, and let me show you how to activate and use camera timer on this device. So first of all, just open your camera app and then just tap on more icon where you will notice timer. So you can pick 3 or 10 seconds delay. Let's grab, for example, 10 or 3, it's up to you. Then go back and now the picture will be grabbed after this 3 or 10 seconds of delay. And that's it. Whenever you would like to switch the timer off, tap on more again, click on this first icon, which is for off, and now the picture will be grabbed right after you click. So this is it, that would be all. This is how you can activate, use and switch off camera timer. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.